सिंटैक्स। सिंटैक्स मीन्स वाक्य विचार। अभी हम लोग सिंटैक्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, जिसका मीनिंग होता है वाक्य विचार। ये वाक्य के बारे में थिंकिंग किया गया है। वाक्य में कौन सा सब्जेक्ट, कौन वर्ब, कौन ऑब्जेक्ट, and it is meant by agreement also. It is the all purpose is meant in agreement, and I read in the syntax subject verb agreement also, and after this class we read about subject verb agreement also, but in this topic we study about syntax, and in syntax subject S and P. SS for singular subject to singular verb and plural subject to plural verb. हम सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ सिंगुलर वर्ब और प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट के साथ प्लूरल वर्ब का यूज करेंगे। And we have to use singular subject with singular verb and plural subject with plural. That's like she reads. She is the singular subject and reads is the singular verb. And so singular subject with singular verb. She is the third person and in the singular form. And how do we use and how can we find it is singular subject and it is singular verb? But when singular subject, if we add s or es in noun, then it make singular, then it make plural. In verb, when we add in s या es in verb, that's like write. It is singular verb and it is plural verb. Writes, it is singular and it is plural. It's wrong. When its first form is always in plural. Write is not singular, it is in plural. So we have to change it in singular to plural, not plural to singular. And write is always in plural form, and all the verb is always in plural form. That's go, goes, it is plural and it is singular. And when we use s or es, it makes singular And when we use first form of the verb, and that is plural. And this, like he go, it is wrong because he is singular subject and go is plural verb, and we read singular subject with singular verb and plural subject with plural verb, and he goes, we write it true. हम नाउन में एस या एस अगर लगाते हैं तो उसमें उसका plural मेक होता है if we add s or es in verb, it make singular form. This is the topic of ss or pp. It is the topic of ss or pp. But now